So with the YouTube, your boy Big Mo, back with another video. You feel me? Today, I live in Arizona. You feel me? So it was raining today, y'all. You feel me? I got off work, driving straight through the motherfucking rain. You feel me? I swear to God, I feel like I be working through the rain and shit. Feel me? Right now we in the laundry room, laundry mat. You feel me? You know we about to blow it down in this bitch. But I just wanted to, have the door open and blow it, y'all. My bad. Sound like I'm whispering. You feel me? Where I stay over here, can't really smoke outside. You feel me? So, we got the door open. You know what I mean? So I'm in my motherfucking house, bitch ass. You feel me? Nah, we lit today. You feel me? You already know we got the joint. You know what I mean? J1 in this bitch. You feel me? About to listen to Fitted Boy. I'm a dog, and have a nice little session. You feel me? Hope y'all got y'all blunts. You feel me? Y'all bongs, y'all joints just like me. You feel me? Y'all backwoods. You feel me? Your leash, your pen. You feel me? When we smoking a gram or more, if we smoking a personal, make sure you buy yourself. You feel me? I don't give a fuck you busting down roaches. Bust down your roaches and smoke with your boy. You feel me? We're gonna go ahead light it down. They feel hella good. I ain't done light feel hella good, so I was like, on game, I'm gonna open the door. My bad. I gotta stay looky. You feel me? Motherfuckers walking around. Talking about they smell that ganja. Smell that ganja. But nah. You gotta make sure you have a nice cherry, you feel me? And it feels good outside. That J1. We hit it. Hold on, y'all. We gotta get that music right. You feel me? We gotta make sure we play some music while you smoking. We blowing it down. And keeping an eye out, you feel me? Fuck is you saying? But now we having a nice little motherfucker Wednesday, you feel me? Feel good. I ain't gonna lie, I was out there, I was at work, standing in the rain, I ain't gonna lie. It felt good as hell. You feel me? On the outside was the homeless people's. They motherfucking tents was getting wet the fuck up. What the fuck? My phone acting stupid in it. We smoking all that sativa. You feel me? Hope everybody getting up. You feel me? It's a new day. It's always a new day. You feel me? Every day is a new day. So you know what that means? We gonna get to that money. You feel me? Like I said, I don't care if y'all be hustling or 9 to 5. You know what I mean? Stay dangerous and stay safe. Come on, we're going. Joint went out. We like 4 minutes in. What the fuck did? My shit talking about I was offline. Like what the fuck? That don't even make no sense. We get it going, you feel me? Hope y'all tuned in on my last video about TUSA. How fucking garbage they is. But under 19 was nice, you feel me? They wanna go. My little baby patio, you feel me? You see the grill in the back, I be out here grilling, you feel me? A couple steaks, hamburgers, you know what I mean? Hot wings, hot dog. I dabble a little bit. God damn. That motherfucker's going out like a backwood. Damn, my phone ain't trying to play no music, y'all. I ain't trying to play shit. Motherfucking iPhone. You see, look at that. You see, look. All bars. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? But fuck it, no music. It's Gucci though. We still blowing. We 5 minutes in. You know what I mean? Nice little morning session. You know what I mean? Enjoying the outdoors. Oh, you mean the natures? My motherfucking mustache getting long as hell, yo. I'm about to get my shit cut. Oh, you feel me? Don't even get twisted. You already know I got that hair appointment. You know what I mean? In August. You feel me? Oh yeah, and I might be doing a video. You feel me? In California, you feel me? I might be going to California in this month. I don't know. I might do a vlog. You feel me? But it might be my first vlog out there. You feel me? Gonna hit the beach. You already know it's in California, so you know we gotta blow it down out there. So you know I gotta make sure I have a video out there. Oh yeah, comment down below. And if you any of my subscribers from California, let me know what's the price of the dispensary out there. You feel me? On game. My bad, y'all. Motherfucking light got me sweating and the door open. I don't know how is that possible. You got weird. You really got you sweating, but it is what it is. You feel me? You blowing it down. My motherfucking phone gay right now. Hold on, y'all. Just enjoy the outdoors real quick. You feel me? I'm back. Oh, y'all have fun. Enjoy the outdoors. Hope y'all still blow it with you. You feel me? Nice little session. You know what I mean? And we Gucci right now. I know J1 not bad as Sativa though. You feel me? For Sativa it's not bad. You feel me? We trying to get in the 420 community. You feel me? We trying to get them care package. You feel me? I want any grower, bro. You a grower? Please send me a care package, bro. I don't mind trying out your shit and give you my opinion. You feel me? Like I said, if you a grower and you want somebody to try out your shit, bro, tap in with me, bro. Big Bo. You feel me? Dreadhead Bo TV. I'll try your shit and let you know what it tastes like. You feel me? I'm just gonna keep it a bean with you. Damn, that motherfucker going out. You feel me? So go ahead and send that care pack. I'm gonna let you know what it tastes like. You feel me? If it's that one, if it's cool, or if it's nigga straight up dookie. To be straight trash, I'm gonna let you know. Try to get that community. You feel me? So, hey, like I said, if you a grower, man, send that carrot pack, bro. I'll try your product. You feel me? See what your shit tastes like. You know what I mean? Hey, Al Capone, sponsor your boy. You feel me? I fuck with y'all shit. You know what I mean? The cognac and the rum. But I ain't gonna lie. These raw papers be hitting too. So this shit going out. I guess we out. Hold on. You feel me? My bad. We gonna get like 2 more hits of this shit. And we out of here, y'all. But don't get it fucked up. We gonna have another video. So I'm gonna do another video back to back. You feel me? Today you just watch me kick it. You feel me? Outdoors type shit. Kind of. Enjoy the rain. You feel me? While we smoke. You feel me? In the laundry room. But I'm out of here though, bro. I hope y'all enjoy y'all Wednesday. Like I said, I might bring another video to y'all later on today. You feel me? We like 11 minutes in. Like, comment, subscribe to the video, share the video. You feel me? We trying to get in that 420 community. We out.